Introduced for the 2026 version is the ability to allocate colours to different zones, so you can very quickly and easily visualise your zones on the floor plan. The colours can be set up from the template profile, so if you go into Edit, Template Profile, you select your profile of interest, go into the Edit menu, and you can see a colour render where you can pick a colour from the palette, or you can define custom colours in the usual Windows way. You can also allocate your zones as well, so if you've set up zones in the Edit menu with varying zones, again in the Edit or in the display options, you have a pull down which allows you to identify zones as well. So you've got profile colours or zone colours, and that will project those onto the screen for easy recognition of your different areas, whether they've been zoned up for whatever reason or the profiles have been set up for different types of space.